Now, a broad anti-corruption bill was passed at the National Assembly on Tuesday, but critics have already raised concerns the law's broad scope may make it unconstitutional. The intention was to enhance transparency in Korean society, but opponents to this bill argue that it went too far and limits people's basic rights. Myung-kil has more.
A sweeping anti-corruption law will go into effect starting as early as September of next year, after an 18-month grace period. But critics are already calling for revisions. One problem, they say, is the law enforces a double punishment. Under the new law, a person who receives money or gifts worth more than 1 million won or $912 million as a bribe for a favor is subject to up to 3 years in prison or a fine of up to 5 times the value of the money or gifts received. Another problem is that the law does not have a clause that enables the punishment of those who asked for the favors or contributed the bribes. The spouses of public officials are also subject to the law. Law experts say this is a form of collective punishment which is banned by the Constitution. The law also strengthens the power of the prosecution, which has already been criticized for wielding its power excessively. The prosecution is often questioned on its motives for going after politicians or CEOs. Experts say that with the new law, that could become more common. It's also possible that law enforcement officials could exploit the law by launching an investigation at any time against individuals or the media if they are seen to be against the government. Some lawmakers have also raised concerns that the law is not fair, as it does not include civic groups, which are seen as the largest interest groups in society. The law was first aimed at rooting out corruption within the government, but has now been expanded to other people with public influence, such as teachers and journalists. The legal community has expressed concerns that the law is so broad and ambiguous that anyone could become the target of a criminal investigation. Myung-kil, Arirang News.